All right, you guys, I have a few things that I want to show you really quick that I got from Burlington today. And I'm a little bit excited about it because I've been looking for one of these things for quite some time. If y'all follow me on Twitter, y'all would know that I've been looking for a really cute moto jacket. I do not know why I don't own one already, but your girl been looking for one, okay? And I found one. I found it. It is super cute, and I got it in a 2X, and it was only $17.99, as you guys can see, okay? I was excited. Like, I tried on the 3X, I tried on the 2X. The 3X, it did fit. It was just a bit oversized, and I don't want no oversized moto jacket. Like, we want moto jackets to be fitted. And this one is cute. It has pockets here. It is a little snug up in here, but then the 3X was too big. So that little bit of snugness ain't gonna kill me. It's just a little snug. It's not like super tight, but I really do like the way this one fits. Like, I like it in the pockets, and I like the fact that it has gold hardware. We have 2 pockets here. Don't have a lot of zippers, and that's what I really be looking for when I'm looking for a moto jacket. I really like this one. This one feels good. Feels amazing. I like it a lot. Another thing I got, didn't have, is a green bag. Like, I love a green crossbody. Okay, like, y'all should already know. Like, you should already know. Like, it's the feels for me. Yeah, it is. It's the feels for me. And this bag was $14.99. And I got both of these. I don't know who Alexis Bendale is, but that's who it's by. Don't know who that is. Never heard of her, but I just saw it was green, and it's really cute. It has a little snap closure. Oh, I didn't even pay attention to the little pocket. We have a little pocket here, and then the inside. The inside has a zip pocket and another pocket on the other side. It's a nice little fall bag. So these are 2 little things that I picked up at Burlington. I did pick up some more stuff, but yes, y'all know I'm a sucker for a crossbody. Like, this is so cute. It's very fall appropriate, and glad I got it. This is the last one. This jacket look good on me. I know y'all ain't even gotta say nothing. It looks good. It's very fitting, very fitting. Y'all gonna see it again. And I'm gonna show y'all the other one that I have that's coming from Ashley Stewart. The only thing different about that one, it is black. It is a different style. I think that it has more zippers, and the hardware on that jacket is silver. So I think that's what won me over with this one. This one had the gold, and I love gold. So yeah, you guys, these are my 2 great finds today. If you guys like this kind of stuff, I am about to flock my tree. I wanted a flock tree this year, but I haven't really found one that I like. I'm lying. Let me take that back. I ain't gonna say I ain't found one I like. I haven't found one under $150. I haven't seen one the height that I want, the size that I want, the fullness that I want for under $150. So I got a little ugly ass tree. Like, my tree is ugly, okay? She ugly, and I'm gonna have to spruce her up. So I bought this snow spray, and they had this spray on Amazon for $15. Don't do it, sis. Don't do it, bruh. Go to Walmart. They're $1.98 a can. You do the math, okay? You do the math. And yeah, I'm feeling my jacket. Like, it's the perfect length on me. It's everything. I like it. Don't be sleeping on Burlington. Don't, okay?
I've self-locked it. It looks better, but I feel like this top part is like leaning or something. Like, I feel like it's not something, but for the most part, I flocked it. I self-flocked it with the snow spray. It does look better than it did when it was all green. It looked like, you know, it'd been misted in the snow. That's cute. So now I gotta do is just add my ornaments and whatnot. I did clean out all my DVDs and my books from this entertainment center, and I'm going to decorate that with Christmas stuff. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, you guys, the tree, it's you know what, I'm not getting another tree from Target. This tree came from Target, and I just don't believe that this tree came from Target. Like, Target, what happened? Is this like the shitty end from Target? Because girl, what, I chose to not get one from Walmart because I felt like this is how it would look. And look how Target done did me. It is what it is, honey. It is what it's here, and it will be used. But I'm not gonna use this tree next year. I am not. All right, lovies, these are pretty much my Christmas ornaments. This is all that's going on my tree, and all of this probably isn't going on my tree. So let's just start with the shatterproof ornaments that I have. The silver ones, the middle purple ones, and these lavender ones. I got all of these from Amazon. Now listen, do not go on Amazon looking for a deal. It ain't none, especially on ornaments. Like, I didn't find a deal on Amazon. But the purple that I saw, I was not seeing in the store, so I just went ahead and got them. I feel like I can really make this work. The silver ones at the top I got from Dollar Tree. These small purple ones I got from Walmart. Those are cute. Those are porcupines. They are pretty much upside down. And I got some snowflakes from Walmart. I have silver ribbon, purple ribbon, beaded garland that's going on my coffee table, and poinsettias that I got from Amazon. This is the last thing. This just came today, okay? And this is all I was waiting for to go ahead and start decorating my tree. Back here in this bag is just some cool clear lights that I got from Walmart. Another thing that I got from Walmart was this garland as well, and these purple lights. Like, I did not know how these purple lights was gonna turn out because they were white and I was looking for green. I kind of wanted to, like, you know, be hidden inside the garland, but at night they look so good. So I'm okay with everything that I got, and I'm so excited to do my tree. Down here, I don't have much of anything. Like, this is not how this is gonna stay. This is just stuff that I have that I just put here. These beads, these glittery beads, I got from Dollar Tree. Why I'm calling these beads? I know these berries. I know this. Anywho, I got them from Dollar Tree. The candle holder right there, got from Dollar Tree. I just got them because they were purple, and I'm probably just gonna put some faux candles in there and just have them on. But this is not gonna stay like this. And down here, I'm gonna put some mini Christmas trees and some decorative bowls with ornaments in them. That's pretty much all that's going down here. I ain't gonna do too much down here. Another thing that I do have, I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is open. It came in a 20 pack. Excuse my hands, y'all. They're going through the most right now. I took 10 of these and decided to paint them purple because I didn't see any purple snowflakes. And the ones I seen on Amazon was just way too big. So I opted to just take 10 out of here, paint them. 20 of these is more than enough, I'm sure. But yeah, my Christmas tree, I hope it turned out right because I am ready for this purple wonderland, okay? I am. So I will show y'all when I'm done how everything looked, how everything turned out, because I'm excited and I'm just ready for it. I'm ready for it.